In this short tutorial, I wanted to show you how to buy Dogecoin. As obviously there's a lot to talk about it and you can see a lot of message on Twitter. I decided to give you a short tutorial how to do it on the biggest exchange in the world. So the first thing, if you don't have a Binance account, just register in the description of this video to grab extra perks and off trading fees. And when you do that, you will be able to buy Dogecoin in a really simple way using a card. So after you register, verify your account with KYC, log in and download the app and log into the app because I think it's the easiest and most efficient way. So then you need to just press buy with GBP Visa card. For you it might be buy with Euro, buy with USD or other coins. When you press that, what we need to do, we need to choose a crypto that we would like to buy. So you press search and then on the search you will type Doge, which will show you that there is a Dogecoin. And actually you can see that within the last 24 hours it went up by 30%. So here you will put how much of that Dogecoin you would like to buy, which let's say I will put 15 pounds because that's the minimum. You can put $15 or euro, so that's the minimum to buy. Maximum, you can see each coin has a different one. Within Doge it's 5,000 pounds. Then I'll press continue. After that, you will need to add your card. So because if you already have a Binance account, it will probably show you this is the card you can use. If you don't have a Binance account, you will see the option to add a new card. When you need to just fill in your first name, last name, card number, expiration date, CVV, which is the short number, security number on the back of the card. And when you press next, you need to fill out your billing details. When you will do that, you will see that your card will pop in automatically and it will say pay with card, Visa or MasterCard, whatever card you used, and the last 4 digits of it. And it will show you what's the price you're actually buying at. So then you need to refresh because obviously the price might change and then press confirm. When you do that, it will show you the quotation. So this is something which, you know, it's normal and standard for everyone. You'll see kind of the quotes. Pay with the card, the current price, and transaction fee. So transaction fee for this fee would be 0.31 cents. And then you have 10 seconds to confirm that transaction. So I can see I will receive 113 Doge from that. And why you have only 10 seconds? Because obviously the Doge prices fluctuate. So because of it, they cannot, you know, hold it for you for a minute or something like that because it might drop or go up. So obviously they want you to give you the current market price of that Doge. So I'll press refresh. And then I have 10 seconds to confirm it, so I'll press confirm. And from that moment, there is a chance that your bank will also ask for the 3D verification or some approval. So either app verification or maybe some SMS like a text, which will need to confirm that transaction. It's pretty normal, so you know you want to make sure that you actually get it. After, what you need to do, you just need to wait and it'll show you the notification that your purchase has been completed. And after you do that, you will see that you bought it through the Binance. And after you just go to your Doge and I'll actually do it right now. And on your Doge, you will see that great, the Doge is already on my account. As easy as that. So, you know, I hope that this tutorial have helped you. And by the way, if you want more tutorials like that, or you want a coin for me to cover how to buy it, or maybe even review it, just leave it in the comments. So thanks to it, you know, I can actually help you guys. And well, if you like this video, just hit that like and subscribe, and definitely don't forget the bell so you're up to date with all the videos which I'm releasing and also getting notifications for it. Thanks a lot and see you soon.